noisy. Yep, doing them nice. And then what we have here, sometimes there's a halo around the outside of the lettering, but it's okay. We just go over it with our, well, I should have it on, but my glove, but just to show you, you put the glove on, do a little bit of burnishing like this, and your halo will disappear, but I'll do that when I finish. This transfer is called El Toro. But I will call this piece Espanol because there will be some beautiful stenciling on the side and the front of the drawers that will make it look very European, Mediterranean. Oh, I love these transfers. They go on so well compared to others. Oh, it's so beautiful to apply. You see that coming through? They come with the bamboo applicator and the glove. And they are just, oh, it's so refreshing that they just go on so simply with a lot of heavy rubbing. Top quality. I'll come back when it's finished and I'll show you the whole piece. What I do when I get quite a way into it, oh gee, there's a few bits there that haven't attached. I'll have to go over them again. Such a big transfer, I'm trying to hurry it, which I shouldn't do. Just be patient, take my time. But I have no patience. I'm a very impatient person. When I have something ready to go, I want to hurry up and finish it. But it's got to be right. All those little bits. Okay, so what I do is I hate holding this bit up and it's so noisy. I'm just going to cut that off. The bits that I've already done. There we go. That just makes it easier for me. Start again. Sit down again. I'm going to put a transfer on my stool that I sit on. I think that would look pretty good. I'll do something pretty on it. Can you see it taking shape? She's going to look gorgeous on this. He, not she. Definitely both. I hate bullfighting. But this is going to be a very masculine piece. Like a big buffet. And look pretty good in a rustic type of house. Or a very neutral home as a focal piece. It's got little bits of lavender. It's got quite beautiful colours. I love burgundy. Beautiful colours. Now before I move on, I'll show you. I would normally put on the glove and I'll go over this and I'll burnish this in just to remove the halo that does form around the lettering before I do my top coat, because I want that lettering to be really crisp and sharp. If there's any little bits that remain, I often go over them just with the pad of my fingertip, and I find that the warmth of my finger just makes them totally disappear. But usually the glove works. You don't have to do any bare work. Okay, I'll continue on. This particular, I've done all this. This piece though has got a rolled edge with 2 grooves, and then it rolls underneath. So what we're going to do, I've never been taught the exact way to do this, but this is my way. This is the way I do it. I get the stick and I'm going to roll it, this flat piece, up against this groove all the way along to adhere that. Some people I know have a lot of trouble with grooves and corners, and it's okay when you're doing something flat, but when you've got to wrap it around a piece, it can be hard. Okay, then I'm going to get this real sharp edge here, and I'm going to go along into the groove itself, trying not to get this to crack. I can see already, you can see here where I have then rubbed this section, but you can see can you see close up? There's little bits there that are cracking. So it's hard to get right in there. So I use my fingernail to get them in, which I know isn't probably right, but it's my way to avoid cracks. Now we've come here, we've come down to here. Now we're going to roll over this edge here with this flat corner. I can see I am getting some cracks. Rats. What I will do, I've got a little piece of transfer left, so I'll cut little sections and try and repair that. Otherwise, I've got to match up paint and just do a little touch up along there. You can see here. See, see I'm getting some cracking. Okay, and I haven't finished. I've got to come down here, roll this section on as well, and roll it under. But without, you don't want it to lift up flat. You want to keep your grooves in place. There we go. It's tricky and a bit time consuming, but that's better. So that's my way of wrapping. So I'll finish wrapping this corner and then I'll reveal it all. She's finished. It's a beautiful cabinet. It's very big. Huge big buffet. And this guy looks gorgeous on it. Now I wanted to show you here, this is the rolled section I was talking about. You can see here we got a few little cracks coming through, and then it had to roll under the lip as well. So we've got bits came out perfect and other bits not so perfect. So I'm going to cut a few little pieces of transfer like here and fit them. And if I can't find the exact colour, I'll have to touch it up with some paint. But this transfer is available in Australia. It's been around a while. I don't think it's very popular. And I don't know why, because look at the detail in him. He's just gorgeous. Look at the colours, all the artwork. Over here he's got forest, pine trees. He is one very lucky boy, because he will not be going to any bullfight. He'll be going to some man's house. Love him.